Guys, wow, I'm about to subscribe to my Pipjuice, the news canal just introduced by our amazing platform Akashex. So how do you go about this? Then you need to click on the three line at the menu here. So when you click on the three line, you're going to see options here. Dashboard digital products, you click on the digital products. Okay, when you click on digital products, you're going to come to the last option here. You see Pipjuice. So it's going to take you to this place. What do you want to do? Make sure you prepare for USDT $50 because of charges, or you have your credit wallet here, whatsoever, your credit card. Then I want to click on buy PG subscription. Then I want to change my credit card to what? To credit wallets. Boom. I want to purchase. No hidden charge. Purchase yes. Now it's rolling. It's rolling. Congratulations to me. Let me screenshot this. So I just purchased my juice this thing. Now let's go back to the products. And now go back to the products. Now I think I can put my trading view username. If I've not purchased it, I won't be able to post it. So sorry. Shoot 1919 grant access granted successfully. Congratulations to me. Open trading view charts. I've opened trading view charts. So when you get to this chart on your trading view, well, you know one thing. First thing first, make sure you come and create your account on trading view. It's simple to go about. Just download Google Trading View app. Then you can even create account with your email address. You see continue with your email address. As so at gmail.com. Continue as that. It's going to automatically give you a username. So that's the username that you're going to make use while you are completing your subscription. Okay. Then come to the chart after you might have done what I've just done now. And when you get to this page, you click on these three dots you are seeing below here. So when you click here, you're going to see in scroll, you're going to see indicator. Okay, when you see indicator, you're going to see invite. When it's okay, you can see invite only, right? So I want to click on invite. Alright, yeah, I want to start this. So it's a Pipjuice, as you can see. Added to the charts. Wow, that's all. Congratulations. So congratulations. That's been added to what? That's been added to the charts. That is all. Alright. What I have been using before from the beginning of this video was my app. So but you can see when I added the scanner, it was not showing like this. So not until when I quickly deleted my app, after I've created the account on TradingView, then I now access my TradingView. I launched TradingView.com on web. So I log in through my username that I've created. So I now retry the scanner process. So I would advise you that you don't just download the app straight away. So you can complete your TradingView registration on TradingView.com. Okay, with your email address. Once you have done with that, then continue your process to purchase the scanner. So it's going to take you to the scanner straight away like this. Yeah, thank you.